Hi there, today we're going to make up some rainbow fruit skewers. These are fun ways of preparing fruit for children to eat, because not all children like different types of fruits, so this is a really good way of getting them to enjoy and try out different and new things. We've got some pineapple here, some clementines, kiwi fruit, mango, strawberries, red and green grapes, blueberries and raspberries. We're going to start by preparing the pineapple, which is more of a difficult fruit to prepare. So we're just going to start off with that and I'll show you how to do it properly. So we top and tail it first of all, and then we can begin cutting off the edge of the skin. And then taking the eyes out. Hold on, just finish off this. You can follow the eyes and cut diagonally across and remove the eyes. Cut into quarters and remove the stalk in the middle. You don't want to eat that. That makes your teeth go sharp and it gets stuck in your tongue and it's a bit pointy. It feels like you've got splinters in your tongue. So remove that. We're not going to need this half. We use this. And cut them into, I would say, about 1/2 inch size cubes. The mango. Do a similar thing and take off the skin around the edges. And there is seed inside which is oval shaped, so it's finding that. But you can use your knife and you can cut round it. I need a smaller one for this. The other side, oops. You're left with a centerpiece a little bit like that. Kiwi fruit is similar as well. So if you take the edge off and just peel around the edges. Just a couple of those. I'm just going to cut the halves into quarters. Small box there. Now Satsuma is just peel them, segment them. Just take off all the pith. And the strawberries, just take the hull off, use a sharp knife and just cut around the edge. These have all been washed, by the way. And our grapes, just take a few off the stalk. I'm going to make a few of these skewers up. Okay. Just make them up with some nice rainbow colours. Just try and alternate the colours, just to make them a bit more exciting looking. Just make a couple. And then they should look something like that. There we have it, some rainbow skewers. Thanks for watching.